You set a flame within me burning, a flame to stay within me yearning.
I told you we should have made a left at the fork in the road. You always do this to me.
While the first constellation of satellites provides light, imagine a second set of satellites in orbit. These satellites will be able to convert the sun's energy into electricity and beam it to the Earth via laser-focused light beams operating at safe frequencies, or microwave energy. With giant solar collectors, the satellites will collect clean, immediate energy, ready to use at a moment's notice.
This place is a prison. I've known for long my heart belongs to